We'll do an example. A 100-kilogram block with a weight of 980 newtons hangs on a rope. Find the tension in the rope if the block is stationary, and then if it's moving upward at a steady speed of 5 meters per second. All right, so we'll start with a picture. So, got a rope. My block is hanging there. Okay. Next, I want to do vectors, or my free body diagram. Where this is my x direction, this is my y direction, so I picked my coordinate systems. Got my origin, x and y axes. Now, I'll draw my forces, okay? Now, on this block, you can do a force identification on it. There's tension, there's weight. Those are it. Okay. So I draw the forces. That's my tension force. And then the weight acts downward.